If your medicine cabinet looks like a spice rack, you're definitely a fan of natural remedies. Let's discover some health-boosting heroes. First up, turmeric. This golden spice is a superstar for reducing inflammation and supporting joint health. Just add it to your cooking, make some turmeric tea, or try curcumin supplements. Next, we have ginger. It's great for easing nausea and aiding digestion. Fresh ginger in your tea or smoothies can work wonders. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires. It boosts your immune system and lowers blood pressure. Eat it raw, cooked, or in supplement form. Honey is nature's sweet healer. It's a natural cough suppressant and wound healer. Add it to tea or take a spoonful for a sore throat. Peppermint is perfect for digestive issues and headaches. Sip some peppermint tea or use peppermint oil to feel the relief. Finally, aloe vera helps heal your skin and aids digestion. Apply the gel directly or drink the juice for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember, always consult a healthcare provider, choose quality products, and monitor your body's reactions. Stay healthy naturally. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to turn notifications on so you'll be the first to see our new content.